Hey guys, good morning. How are you all? I hope that everybody is doing well. As you know well about me, my name is Shivam Kumar Singh, and I would extremely welcome back to everybody to my YouTube channel Talk with Shiva. I am making this video on the topic how is the village life on this summer season. Well, as you know well about me, as of now I am on vacation. I am on summer vacation, and I am shooting this video. It is 8 a.m. in the morning, and the temperature of village has gone on 30 degrees Celsius. It is 8 a.m. in the morning. Uh, you can assume that if the temperature of this village is 30 degrees Celsius at 8 a.m., then what will be the situation at afternoon? But still, there are some persons in my village, not in my village, in every village, who works in the field because they are farmers. They don't have any second option. Maximum people lives in coolers, maximum people lives in AC. Still they say, oh my god, there is too much hot, oh god, there is a lot of heat waves. But those farmers will never give you any excuse about heat or summer or sunlight. I'm not talking about farmers only. We should also respect our Indian soldiers who all are on the border, especially in Rajasthan, Gujarat, in desert area. There is a respect for all the Indian soldiers who are on the border or on glacier also. But these days there is a lot of sunlight, there is a lot of sun. There is no any option to do anything. But it's my humble request to everybody. If you guys don't have any important work, then don't please come out from your home. Try to be at your home because there is a lot of heat waves in the outside. If you will be affected by the sun, then it will be very difficult for you to get recover. So it's my humble request to everyone, if you guys don't have any important work, don't keep your step outside your door. See, you can see the situation of the village. It is 8 a.m. in the morning. The temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. And do you know who is the responsible for this? We are the responsible for this. We are increasing deforestation. We are the reason who increases deforestation. This is the reason the water level is going down. See, I am from Bihar, and there is no any shortage of water in my Bihar. But as a human, as a video creator, I should talk about everybody. If I talk about Gujarat, if I talk about Rajasthan, if I talk about Madhya Pradesh, these are some rockies area and desert area, and the water level is going very down on this day. We are very thankful to the God because we live in Bihar and we live in that part of India where there is no any shortage of water. But we should also think about those who all are struggling for water these days. And nowadays, liquid is much important. If you won't have food, if you won't eat food, then it will be fine for some times. But at the same time, if you won't have any liquid, then it will be difficult for me, difficult for you also. So it's my humble request, what kinds of thing you should do in the summer vacation, in these heat waves. You have to focus on my, please mark my words, that what kind of things you should do which will help you to prevent from sun. First, if you don't have any important work, don't keep your step outside your door. Second thing, if you are going outside, then try to cover your face, try to wear sunglass. Apart from this, uh, third thing is that try to consume liquid as much as you can, and please avoid to drink soft drinks. Please avoid. I'm not taking the name of any particular things, but please avoid to have soft drinks. Apart from soft drinks, you can have normal water, sattu, and nimbu pani. Apart from this, you have uh, lassi as well. And don't try to have soft drinks because soft drink is not good for health. So these all kind of things you should do to prevent from sun. Got it? And if you are seeing anybody who is walking nearby your home, then try to please offer water to him or her. And one thing, as a human, I just want to say, will you, if you will do it, then it will be good, but if you will won't do, then it's your choice. Please try to keep some water in a bowl on your roof for the birds also. These kind of things we should do for our upcoming future, because God notes our uh, every steps, what kind of things we are doing. Just try to take a ball and put some water in that, and please keep that ball on your roof for the birds, because nowadays it is very difficult situation in village life, because the sunlight is getting high day by day. See, you can see the situation. It is more than 30 degrees Celsius at 8 a.m. in the morning. At the same time, you can assume that what will be the situation at afternoon or at 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. You can assume. We are very thankful to our Indian soldiers who all are on the border. We should also think about them. So these kind of things I wanted to share with you all. If you guys liked my words, if you guys liked my video, then kindly subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. And if I made any type of mistake, then please comment me. I will try to enhance myself in my next videos. Thank you so much everyone for watching my channel. Have a great day.